Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the purge valve solenoid on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 5.7 liter V8. So first thing you want to do is just pop the hood and you're going to remove this engine cover. And the purge valve solenoid is this piece right here that runs along the top of the engine. And there's this connector here. There's the evap line. You can't really see it. Sorry, my lighting's bad. Right there with that red hose. And then there's a clip for the electrical harness right there. So you're just going to want to pop all three of those off. And then there's also this clip here that holds it onto the engine. One thing is when you're taking these old ones off, you want to be extremely careful because the clip that hold on this evap line are very brittle. I'm not sure why they are, but they are. The best thing I used is 2 small flathead screwdrivers and one of these panel poppers, and that allowed this piece to come off fairly easy. So once you have your new piece, this only cost me about $45 off of Parts Geek. You just put it into place with snapping that onto the engine mount. Just snap it on the engine mount like that. This evap put up here in the intake manifold. Securely put that in place. Grab the wiring harness back here. Make sure that's clipped in. And that evap line back there. Snap that in place. So after you have all the connectors plumbed in for the new purge valve, you can start your car, and if your check engine light is still there, you may have to drive it some before it goes out. That's just how Chrysler made it with some of the error codes. So yeah, that's how I replaced the purge valve on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7 liter V8. One thing that also helped me with clearing the check engine light is I cycled the key on and off 5 different times from off to run without actually starting it. And then I also connected my car to an OBD2 scanner. Blue Driver works pretty well. And then, yeah, I started it for one final time and now the code's finally gone.